56 Best Work from Home Jobs in 2023. Number 1. 1. Copywriting. Isn't everything technically copywriting, you ask? Well, yes, good point. You should write an article about that. A work-from-home copywriting job is at the top of the list because you can flex your writing, or blogging skills, differentiate yourself by becoming an expert in what you're interested in, and constantly learn new things. Think about how much written word the World Wide Web has to offer: every company's landing page, descriptions of every product sold, articles about how to tie a sailor's knot, think pieces on why you should make your own cheese. You can be a part of that, and get paid for it too. For more actionable strategies on growing a copywriting practice, check out my friend Rob's $5,000 freelance challenge here on the blog. And if you're ready to start looking for quality work from home jobs doing copywriting, I recommend searching on both FlexJobs and Solid Gigs, where they've worked hard to source thousands of well-paying opportunities from flexible, qualified employers.